Hey beauties! Today I'm so excited because I'm bleaching my hair again. I actually am doing the same exact technique that I used the last time that I bought. Well, not the last time, because the last time was kind of a fail. If you're curious what my hair history is, it's all on YouTube. I will leave my playlist in the description box below, but I'm using the same comb technique. I really love this. It is so helpful and easy. In literally every single one of my bleaching videos, I get comments telling me not to use box bleach, when actually I really love box bleach. The Revlon Frost and Glow kit has never done me wrong, but I decided to pick up this Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf. I'm saying that wrong. I know I am, and I'm sorry. This had such good reviews on Amazon that I picked it up. I want to put it to the test. Is this going to be really that much better than my favorite box bleach kit? We'll see. Let's get started. I always get nervous before bleaching my hair. It's just like a natural reaction. I totally almost forgot. If you're new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of fashion and beauty videos. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And now we'll get started. I actually want to do the 2 spots in the front. I know there's a term for it. If you know it, leave it in the comments. The last time that I tried to do this, I made them way too chunky, like extreme e-girl chunky. I learned my lesson and I'm gonna take it easy this time. Just gonna do a middle part. The way that I did the comb technique the first time when it was not a fail is I just took layers up from the bottom in like 1-inch sections. So we're gonna be working in really small sections. So I am actually going to part my hair on the bottom section and tie this part up just with a hair tie. And then I'm going to split it down the middle like this. Now I'm going to mix the bleach. I actually did get a kit on Amazon that has the bleach and the developer together. So this set was like 50 bucks, but it's a lot of bleach and it's gonna last me forever. Hopefully I like this because I have a ton of it. I do actually have a mixing bowl here, kind of profesh. I should also say, before we start, I am in no way a professional. I'm doing this in my bathroom. I have nothing but trial and error experience, no schooling, nothing like that. So take what I do here in my bathroom with a grain of salt. Do your own research before bleaching your own hair. Not a profesh. You should know that now. Okay, so for real, we're gonna get started. Oh, this has a scoop in it. Yay. I'm gonna take one of these in the bowl and then I'm going to squeeze out 1 scoop of this, and it's at a half, so I'm gonna do halfway. Now for the mixing. It kind of does not look like it's enough bleach, but that's okay. I'm going to mix as I go because I don't want this bleach sitting here too long. If I take too long coming to the top, then that bleach on the top, I don't want it to, you know how it starts puffing up? I don't want it to do that. I just take the comb and I put the hair through it, just like that. And I kind of work with it a little. Eventually, the comb will just automatically pull it into 2 sections. And what I'm going to do is separate those sections. So there's the 2 sections. I am gonna grab the top section, take the comb out, and we're gonna apply bleach to the top section. I'm not actually going all the way to my roots because I do want like a balayage effect. So I'm just kind of painting. Because the comb has already separated the highlights, I already know that this is the section I want highlighted. So we're just going to paint it. But I feel honestly like it's faster to use my fingers. I know, lovely technique, right? Again, not a professional, not at all. And I am actually applying bleach on the back because again, we do already have that hair that's separate. And these gloves, I got them on Amazon They have a nice texture to it. It's supposed to be like reusable professional gloves. And I actually do feel like the texture on it's helping the bleach spread a little better. I'm not good at foils, you guys. I'm really not. I'm just trying to get this foil on here to keep the heat in. We got the first strand done. Let's move on. Don't you just love that technique? So good, right? Brad Mondo's already reacted to one of my videos. He would love this technique, I'm sure. Okay, so up here, what you want to do, or what I do, is I try to blend so that those bleach lines aren't harsh. The way that foil just went on so easy, I have some hope. I am actually gonna take the gloves off just to do the sections. So now I'm just going to come up another section, so just right above my ears. Honestly, I had this problem last time where I was kind of mixing up my section. I'm gonna bring this section to the front, and I'm just gonna start clipping the sections that I've already highlighted. That way I don't mix sections as I move up. I'm just gonna part this one in half as well. Okay, and there's that section. You just gotta work with the comb a little bit. I am going to move this to the back. So what I typically do is just start in the middle of the strand that I want highlighted, work my way down and up as I'm spreading it. Again, you want a nice blend from your dark to your light. Blend, blend, blend. And these are not fancy foils. This is literally Sam's pre-cut foil sheets. And actually, someone who watched my last video told me about ripping the foils in half to make them easier to work with, and she was right. So thank you if you're watching this, whoever left that comment. Okay, I have made it to the top layer because it's actually a pretty thick layer. I guess I could cut it in half one more time. Let's cut one more layer. I'm just grabbing and blending. I kind of tried to do it with the brush, but I just feel like the brush takes so much longer. I kind of do a mix of both the brush and my hands, just so I know I'm getting a good blend up here. Just gonna work that out. But I will say that these gloves definitely helped spread the bleach so much easier because of the texture on this. See what I mean about the harsh line? That's a harsh line. You don't want that. You want to blend it, take your brush and turn it, or sometimes it's easier to blend with your fingers, but you don't want just a straight harsh line like that. And I'll show you why I say it's easier with my fingers, because I can control that. And my fingers automatically don't apply such a straight line, just naturally, so then blending it is a little bit easier. Again, not a professional. This is just what works the best on DIY highlights for me. I just want to make sure that I get that front piece right here. Because what I did last time is I grabbed like this much hair, and that's not really what I wanted. So I'm gonna make sure that there is bleach right here, and then I'm going to do these highlights just a little bit lower. You want to keep the highlights that are in this peekaboo piece lower than that piece so that it stands out a little more. That's just what I'm doing now. And because the comb has already separated all the highlights, that's why I feel like I can be just a little bit messy by using my hands. Otherwise, I would probably try to be more precise, but the comb's already done all the hard work for me. So now it's just really applying the bleach. That's looking good. Might be a little harder on this side because I'm definitely right-handed. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. These are my results. I came outside so y'all could see what it looks like in natural lighting rather than my big studio lights. I got the result I wanted this time. I'm really, really loving it. There are some parts right here that aren't perfect, but I could just always do the side swoop thing if it's bugging me that day. I will show you guys what I use to help tone the color, but let me get my phone on the tripod so y'all could see the back. You part it down the middle. So that's what it looks like parted down the middle. I'll turn around and show you guys the back. You guys, I am obsessed. It came out so good. I'm so happy that I tried this again. Let's talk about what I used to tone it because it's so affordable and I literally picked it up last minute at Target. It is this J. Heermack Silver Brightening Shampoo. So what I did is just rinse out all the bleach and then I lathered my hair in this and let it sit about 5 minutes, and then I just rinsed it out like normal, and it did a pretty good job of toning. There are some spots on here that probably could use a little bit more purple in them, but I have a toner routine that I like to do, which I'll probably go ahead and do that tonight. If you haven't seen that, I will leave it in the description box below. I do have a whole video showing you guys what I use to tone my hair without actually using a toner. And I will say that this AG fast food hair stuff really helped my hair feel super healthy and moisturized after the bleach. bleach. I know at the beginning of the video I did tell you guys I was kind of doing a comparison to see if non-box bleach was actually that much better, and it kind of is. And the only reason that I say that is because my hair still feels super healthy, which the Blonde Me actually said that it was supposed to have some stuff in it that moisturized at the same time. I think if I would have used a box bleach, it would have come out very similar in color, but the integrity of my hair does still feel super strong. For that alone, I think paying a little bit extra was worth it. Also, because I got that huge tub of bleach, I wasn't worried about running out of bleach, and I did actually have to go back on this section because I missed a huge chunk right here, and it was like no biggie to just mix another bowl of bleach, which really came in handy. So this definitely counts as a win. I hope that you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful at all. Everything I used will be linked in the description box below. So if you're doing this at home, good luck. Take your time, blend, and I'm sure you'll love it. So thanks for watching. If you want to binge more of my videos, I will leave 2 of them right here, as well as that subscribe button. So hit that button, subscribe for more hair highlighting videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.